Trembling hands, I'll cover them slow. You don't have to be brave, I already know. You're safe with me. Stay as you are. Breathe, just breathe. I'll guard your heart. Small, quiet room. Soft, steady light. You're safe with me. All through the night.
Yo, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Oh, late chat, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday.
Coffee gone cold, left on the stair. Phone face down.
Chat, how we doing, man?
Clock on the road, moves like a ghost. I had fun, lost it almost. I don't feel a thing.
Chat was good, bro. He's on here. He's here. There he is, right there. He on screen.
I didn't know you were already jumping in.
A15, brother. He here. He here. Paul, good morning.
Grab something.
Tris, good morning. Trader 007, hello. G-Man says, where's the main guy of the stream? Oh, hell no, bro. Hell no, G-Man. I'm gonna let you think on that one for a minute. I'm gonna let you think on that one for a minute, G. Daniel Wool says, good morning, never fade extension levels. Oh my God, Chad. Oh, is that about to be a thing, bro? Should we get merch? Bro, I think we should get merch. I think we get t-shirts that says never fade extension levels.
Or just keep it short and sweet and say don't fade extensions.
That too. That too. But I think we do it, chat.
And then you put don't fade extensions and you have like a little chart graphic with candles on it.
Something to think about. If you're a heterosexual male, why are you fading extension levels?
Well, that's that took a turn.
Is it too early for that, chat? Too early?
Yeah, I ain't ready for that one. What the hell? Give me like 10, 15 minutes at least. Sheesh. Lordy.
I might have been over the top, chat. My bad.
No, don't be a wuss and apologize and own your shit. Damn.
Might have been over the top. I'm on a little sleep, chat. There's no telling what I'm gonna say today. Hang on, BRB. Chat, Logan, take over.
Take over, he says. Yeah, it's like I'm not already in control, chat. He ain't got to tell me to take over. Oh, how's everyone doing this morning? Oh, let's look at these charts. Let's see here. Nas went nowhere all night. It actually went lower versus higher, which is surprising. The grind up finally stopped. I thought we might have pushed up higher into the 150s, maybe even peaked up to the 200s, but we pretty much went nowhere. So hopefully we're good for today and actually go somewhere. I'd love to see like a peak up to those same levels and then a retracement back down under 26. I want to see some movement that has a little variety here, not just directional upward trajectory, chat. We need to, I don't know. I want to see some good PA. Not that it's been bad, but when we're continuously going up like this, it doesn't always lead to the best because we get overextended, so to speak. Green from the Asia session, so we'll be paper trading only. That's almost kind of sad. But also good that you can even be green from Asia, but G-Man, do you only trade gold? Is that the only chart you follow? Still got a nice little gap on the 4 hour that we could pull back on as well. Had that massive 4 hour candle from 9 to 1 yesterday. A lot of VWAP action in play here. Pretty much on all the time frames. I mean, the 5-minute VWAP's at 26. The 4 hour VWAP is at 26, basically. The 15-minute is at 26. So that's what I mean by price action and some variance with it, chat, is that I'd like to see us extend out from where we've been since close yesterday, and hopefully it's not like a VWAP chop day or some shit. But we'll see. We got 30 seconds. Market's about to open. Joey's not even here for the open. Mostly gold now. Yeah, I gotcha. Got to stick with what you know. No sense in trying to be a jack of all trades, so to speak, and doing everything. Like, stick with what you know, what you like. No sense in feeling the need or anything to doing multiples. It's great if you can or do, but I think that's an issue people have, is just always trying to do too much versus just one thing. It's how you get a lot of fakes in this world, chat. And there's the open. Opening bell. Have a day. I ain't saying good luck like I'm a blackjack dealer like Joey. I'm going to just say be smart, make money. Spiked up there. Got a big wick candle from 6:45 this morning on the 5-minute at 44, and we jumped up to 40. Couldn't fully test that, but
I'm back, baby.
you're gonna have to turn me down on your side or something. I can hear myself.
Yeah, I noticed you were loud.
Yeah, you got me cranked. You got me wanting to be heard.
There, should be better.
I sound like you for Mario or G-Man's neighbors. I can't remember which one that said that.
Jack, good luck. Market's open. It's time to make some monies.
Damn it, chat. There it was.
What?
You and your blackjack dealer, good luck. I told him I wasn't going to say good luck. You weren't here for the open, so I said some other shit, and then you came in and still said it.
Well, I say it every morning.
You should start just flipping your hands over whenever you say it. Just good luck.
Good luck. G-Man, green from the Asia session. So you're going to be paper trading today. Holy. Starboy, good morning. Enzo, good morning. Bo, what's up? Daniel says, good trading, everybody. Yo, good trading to you, Daniel. Good trading to you, sir.
What up, Mario?
Mario. Malone, hello.
Is that actually how you say that guy's name, or is it belongs?
I don't know. I just say Balone. It could be a lot of different things.
No, I think those would be the two that make sense because the other part looks like AI. I don't know.
Belongs, Balone. How do I say your name? Flacco.
Oh.
Factor in 26K is wild. Right back to 26Ks.
I just noticed that would have been good long there off B-Walk too.
Tennessee traders, green from Asia. First day on the Top Step funded account. Let's go, baby. Holy. Money in the bank. Got some levels up here at 44s all the way up to 58s. Yeah, okay. Good morning.
Yeah, no real news today either.
Once barcode signed off, gold ripped. Okay, G. Gee, I'm about sick of your shit.
Like clockwork, baby. Damn.
God bless, G.
Delete that out the chat. That ain't good for business.
Dang it, G. Listen, I was red. I wasn't red. I was green last night. I took a banger trade in front of y'all. Even though my first one was trash. Got stopped out. That Shanghai Open though did me dirty. On my final two runners on gold, it came down and literally stopped me out to like the point. And then ripped into oblivion. Like that Shanghai Open was brutal for me. Gold was tough last night.
Pretty ugly. Oh, ES is up at its highs a lot more than what Nasdaq is.
Then it wasn't. Yeah, true. True. Holy. Chat, have a bit of a lighter day today, thank God. We have this stream, then we don't have TRADEIFY today. We have Ninja Trader this afternoon. Best believe that I'm gonna be squeezing in a nap today. The nap is gonna be
nappy.
real. Huh?
Oh, nappy.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. So not 15 streams, just 3? Yeah, pretty much.
So, ES making new highs. Trying to propel the Nasdaq up.
Yep, now it's about to follow.
Broke them 44s.
Yeah, I want to see what happens when we get to the 60s up there. React. Get some sellers, mate. We are at the very top of a range, getting all the way back to February, chat. Even in January. So it wouldn't surprise me that even today through tomorrow, maybe even Friday, we do get a little bit of sellers, or we do see a pullback.
Bless it. Yeah, those 60s and 70s are kind of the next set of levels I'm seeing. From there, it would be into the hundos.
Now, it doesn't have to pull back. We could keep ripping, but it would make sense that if not today, then tomorrow I would be expecting a pullback.
Yeah, I was sort of saying the same thing earlier about being overextended in a sense. The hell are you eating?
Huh?
What were you eating?
I got a little
Just noticed you had something.
Bacon, egg, and cheese. Enrique says, hello, JM and Logan. Love the IG post where JM is hesitant about taking a trade and Logan roasts you. Really funny.
It was some good stuff. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
We did pop that 58 wick.
Yeah, we did. I just noticed that actually.
Getting back to, let's see, This is where I would expect sellers to come in.
So we hold our breath.
At 59.
Yeah, 59 or 60. Already popped that wick. Expect seller somewhere from here. Chat, what's all-time high? Being back in the 26Ks, I mean, what's all-time highs?
883.
883. Damn. Logan, there's a little comment in there for you. From More Rice.
Yeah, you're the one and only team that's done it there, but something's got to give at some point. So this year's going to have to be that year. Good luck.
Nice dynamic you have. Love those arguments. Borderline real, but it's just two old friends going at it. Really funny.
Oh, there's no borderline. That shit is real. This ain't a fucking acting class. This shit is raw and real. We ain't got no condoms on here. This shit is just getting at it.
Whoa.
Unfiltered, raw. That's it. Nah, I didn't say that, Maurice. I didn't say that. But there is, as always, a lot of potential and high expectations.
Did you say Maurice? I've always
More rice.
I've always read more rice.
Overlooked the E.
Well, there's the sellers.
Damn. Like all the way too.
Yeah.
I was wondering how aggressive the pullback might be. Back to VWAP. Okay, maybe.
Oh,
straight
wait.
through that shit. Jesus.
Hello.
Take it easy, Naz. Come on now. Some people are just getting their day started. Shit. All right, well, this could get interesting here now, guys. Let's see how we handle this.
My goodness.
Big surge down, but then we instantly bought back from 982. Massive wick on the 2-minute. Let's see how it closes here.
This is why we wait for the first 30 minutes for PA to calm down. Yes.
I like that. Yep.
Yes. Algos are algoing in the first minutes of the market. Firing off left and right. Getting their busy work done early. Now, price running all the way back up, chat, would be absolutely filthy. Oh, wait. There's the headline that made that move here. Regional mediators push for extending U.S.-Iran ceasefire, but progress is slow. Regional mediators are still pushing to extend the ceasefire between U.S. and Iran and arrange a second round of talks, but progress has been slow. Officials familiar with the matter said U.S. and Iran have agreed in principle to meet, but haven't decided on a date and venue after marathon peace talks in Islamabad ended without a deal. Progress on the talks remains slow, they said. 2-week ceasefire was announced by President Trump on April 7th. So that's why you saw that big move down, because they're trying to arrange a second round of talks, but they haven't made much movement on it.
So
That
the
explains
fact,
it.
3 words is what dictated all of that. Progress is slow.
That's
How
2
crazy
words.
is that?
That's 2 words. Progress is slow. But progress slow.
I said progress is slow.
Oh, you say is slow. Okay. I said progress.
Boy, if we were having issues counting 3 words.
It
Oh,
says
boy.
right here in financial
Holy
juice.
shit.
Look, but I'll even put it up on screen.
I wasn't reading. I was
It
just
says, but
repeating.
progress slow. That's it. It's literally what it said. But progress slow. It doesn't even have it. It doesn't have an is. So that's how I was
All right.
reading
Well,
it.
if you can read, you can hear. And I said progress is slow. So that's I didn't read your damn article.
Look at this candle retracing all the way back up, dude.
That's danger zone.
Yeah, that's insane, bro. Excuse me. Let's go all the way back up and rip the highs again.
Again, another VWAP play right there. Oh boy. This is what I meant pre-market chat, talking about direction and going somewhere.
I just got into an argument with someone saying we at all-time highs, call them an idiot, and go back to bagging fries at McDonald's.
Damn.
Put the fries in the bag. Holy chat. Are we just gonna, what are we doing? What's Nasdaq doing, chat? Are we fixing to rip these highs again? I was honestly considering shorting, but then I was like, no, this looks like it wants to rip all the way back up, so I chose not to.
Those massive red candles on the 5-minute are just wild.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. I mean, looking at these candles,
We're back under that 44 at the moment, though.
in all reality, like, I mean, the candles look big, but that one candle, 5-minute candle moving down 76 points, which if you think, like, considering the PA that we've had and the volatility we've had, that's relatively small on a 5-minute time frame versus what we can add. We've been having like 100-point 5-minute candles, whereas our ATR right now is only 26. Crazy how the ATR has flipped the past like few days, chat. I mean, we were having 60, 70-point 5-minute ATRs, then all of a sudden now we're having 26-point ATRs on the 5-minute.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Big flip.
This is funny. Now the NAS is back near its high. ES is not. So they totally just swap positions from earlier of trying to pull one another.
Yeah. Fog. Maybe I'm a donut, but I don't know what a bat means. BAT. Maybe I'm a donut for that, but I don't know.
Yeah, I saw that earlier and just ignored it because Nasdaq creep back above that 44, trying to hold it.
G-Man said it here first, chat. You see it in the comment by G-Man. Hit that like button. We got 41 people in here, 13 likes. Chat, what are we talking about? What are we talking? You gonna make Logan rant, chat?
Come on, guys, support the channel.
Listen,
Click
we
the
need to
little
have
button.
we need to have a
Do a little
good
favor.
Wednesday. Let's not send Logan down a spiral, okay?
Come on, help us out, chat. Help us out. And sellers. Oh boy.
Yep, more sellers coming in at those 50s. More Rice says cheap short.
Yeah, I think everything is a cheap move right now. You're not holding anything. I may have just tried and ran some stops on longs there if this wicks like it is. Jeez. Wow.
Enrique asked Logan, do you have a Dwayne The Rock Johnson on the other wall?
Absolutely not. It's a very odd question. If you don't know what that is behind me, then the question makes sense, I guess, actually. But those two are not correlated or connected.
Cynthia says 40 likes and a Joey trade for a giveaway today. 40 likes and a Joey trade. Maybe. Depends on how y'all act, chat. We might do a giveaway.
Just spiked a new high. Up into them 60s. That 1 minute wick candle is just gnarly. It's like a 26-point wick.
Chat, the PA today feels a lot like some blown accounts. That's what today feels like. Today feels like the blown accounts are gonna pile up. The Rock has a tattoo of the flag behind you on his arm, I think, doesn't he? I think that was the joke.
Yeah, he's got like a bull or steer or something, but yeah. Yeah, if you've taken a trade at this point, everything is very much just scalp material.
I got a lot of scalp, chat.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are slow like Asian. Enrique, shut your mouth.
Nah, I think you just need a better quote-unquote joke.
Oh, shots fired.
Yes, is trying to find some buyers to climb back up.
Nothing better to do. Listen, I hear you. Starboy. Yep. It's only a matter of time, Starboy. Or y'all send me off the rails. PA wants my accounts. Yep. And it'll take it too. Something tells me that the PA today is going to be taking accounts all day long, chat. That's the vibes I get.
On the 1 minute chart, this almost looks like a V-shaped pattern or like a inverted head and shoulders, you could say.
Buyers are trying to be persistent, holding this thing up. Sydney says, not if you only trading 2 micros and quit profit taking. No, I hear you. Sizing down, sizing down, sizing down. 100%. I love a 2 micro trade.
There goes ES getting its push. Now it's about to go hit those 70s. And then from there, it's the hundreds.
Chat, people I had people legit make fun of me for trading micros. Now everybody talks about trading micros. Isn't that funny how that works? People were like, you trade micros? Why? You're not confident in your trading? You're not confident enough to trade minis? Micros is too thin of trading. Can't make any money with micros. Now everybody talks about trading micros. Literally.
Chat, Joey should change his social names to the Micro IB Trader. That's what he needs to be.
I don't think I like that.
Yeah, that was a rough draft. Kind of off the dome type thing. We can work on it, you know. It was just a little one of those spitballs, but you know, we can come up with something.
G-Man says, bro, you're so right. Ever since you were on with Austin Silver, I was sold on micros. Right, man. Right. Micro, man? Okay, Enrique. Joey Micro. All right, Sam. All right, chat. Micro man is diabolical, chat. Okay.
Actually, it's not. Somebody should make a new rendition of that fish picture with the micro fish and then make micro you, and then it's just 2 micros in a picture.
Wow. Okay. Micro man is crazy. Yeah, it really is. Imagine that Twitter handle, chat. Micro man.
Yeah, your post would get attention for sure. There we are, up into the 70s, 73. Chat, if I was better at it, taking some sort of trade to get up here since I called that out, but you know, this shit just got me a little scared. There we go again, 78. ES pushing, trying to get back up there itself. Needs to break into the 20s again.
Gee, man. Bro, don't know why, but chat always goes off on Joey. I know, dude. It's every day. Literally every stream I'm on. It's like not even my own. It's my own stream and then everyone else's stream too. I don't know why. It's like I'm just one big roast session everywhere I go.
No, I'm not gonna make that assessment, Enrique. That's wild.
That is a wild. That's a wild assessment to ask for.
That's wild.
Enrique says, JM, all jokes aside, we love you. And I love you too. Mario, you have been nice. Yeah, you have been nice to me. Mario's been the one guy to not rip into me yet. Man, it's like this thing wants to push down, but buyers just step back in and just rip us straight back. Short on MYM working. Nice. Nice. I'm waiting for a good confirmation of short the Nas. I'm not really long biased today, chat. But I've been wrong before. Been wrong plenty of times. In fact, I looked at my stats and I am actually wrong 40% of the time.
Push into the 80s. Oh boy.
My current win rate, chat, is 60%. Which I think, all things considered, in this type of market, 60% win rate is pretty good. I mean, that's pretty good in any market, if you ask me. Especially if you have good risk management. I did go through a season where my win rate was like 50%.
You making money?
Yeah. When I was in the 50%, I didn't make a whole lot. Yeah, I was still green.
That's all that counts.
Now now that I'm back in the 60%, doing a lot better. Sydney says, almost time to short. Listen, I'm with you. I would love nothing more. I've been ready to pull the trigger on a short. I'm just trying to see if we're actually going to sell.
I was gonna say, I think you're still waiting.
Market really hasn't given me anything to take short off of.
Because at this point, now that we've broken into the 80s, we should go and run into the hundreds, and then it's figuring out from there.
Nice, Mario. There goes gold with the wicks again. Let me look. Take a little peek. Yep. Dude, why is gold so wicky lately? Silver is ripping into oblivion. Oil. Not really doing a whole lot on oil. Oil is kind of just chopping. Looks like it's running out of steam. Yeah. I want the shorts. I'm just waiting for a little bit more confirmation on me on taking that. Nothing I'm overly excited for on shorts just yet. What are you seeing,
Guys?
Logan?
If you're hanging out, enjoying the stream, do us a favor, hit that like button. We're trying to grow it, trying to get more people, reach more people. Haven't had any trades just yet because it's been a little bit sloppy this morning. There has been opportunity, but just kind of stayed out of it. It's been a little back and forth, sort of built out a direction to the upside so far, but we'll figure it out. But still been calling out levels, noticing key things. So if you would smash that like button.
Yeah.
Yes, just had an aggressive spike down to VWAP there.
Yeah, now I'm getting a little bit antsy on a short.
Yeah, the thing about it is everything is still a scalp. So it's like if you get a short, how much of one are you going to take, you know?
Yeah.
Because this just keeps doing the same shit.
Yep.
Honestly, that would have been a great long right there if I was paying attention. Could have had 20 points just off that.
All right, chat, let's do it. We're short.
Pullback.
We are short. Top of the highs.
Where'd you get in?
65. And I'm going to BRB. I'm going to let this trade just kind of ride. BRB chat. Back tool set T. All right, BRB chat.
Yeah, that's good there, Sid. Like I said, everything's sort of a scalp right now, and if you can snag 10 to 20 points real quick, I think that's the move. I think that is the move. I'm not sold on a short just yet. I can see potential, but this volume has really slowed up as well for us only being almost 40 minutes in. Also, ES is still trying to fight upwards, so I feel like Naz and it are a little opposite. Chat, I actually entered in a very small long off 64 here to see if we might just turn around actually. Might target a new high. I don't know. We're gonna see. Just kind of testing this out.
Oh, buyers might want to take this thing back up. We'll see.
Yeah, telling Chad I'd put on a small long to test that theory at 64 was my entry actually.
Damn, fading me right at my entry.
Yeah, I wouldn't have mind getting in off like the 50s, but it just didn't work out that way.
He's fading me, chat. Might win too.
If we break these highs with conviction, I'll look to take it up to 100. Just need to see it keep going. The ES might actually hold it up, and I don't like all these wicks up here. Yeah, that 73 level I'm not liking here. I've been talking about taking the scalps and the points, and I probably should have just already done that because there was 16 I could have had. Need to see this 2-minute go here. Need to break into the 80s and go.
I think he'll get the highs. We're unable. We've been trying to go lower, but buyers keep pushing us back. Not in love with my position anymore.
Now I like where ES is pushing. If it, God, break these wicks on the 1 minute already. Shit. There, but go. Don't wick it. Just go.
I think you're gonna get the highs.
TP at 99, chat.
99.
Yeah, I'm playing that psych level. Can the volume just go?
TP, are you sharing your screen?
Yep.
Logan's in a banger. Will he get the 99? Look at him go. Look at him go. Will he get the 99? Chat, give him the 99. Don't edge him out like that. Don't edge him. Give it to him. Let's go. GG's.
Saw a little 35 pointer there, guys. This is what I mean when I said I wasn't convinced on shorts yet, because we hadn't had an aggressive enough pullback where we had any candles that actually closed showing that aggression to turn around or go to the downside with a bigger retracement. And I was looking over here. If you look at the 1 minute, we're just in a gradual continuation upward. And when you look at all these pullbacks we've had into the EMAs, everything has wicked out of it or stayed directly above the 14. The last one, right after I got into my entry at 908, it came and spiked down below right at 50, but it wicked right out and closed above. And it did that on the 2-minute as well. And that's where that gave me a little bit of confidence to take the long and see that we were just going to continue that same pattern and go higher. And that was really what I was looking for. The ES was a little lagging, but it had that bounce off VWAP and it found its spot. And then realistically, like, I played it safe at the psych level. I always get in my head about that because you just never know how price is going to react when it gets to those, and if it's going to just go through like it is right now, or if it's going to stop short and pull back and then wait to like get through it. But realistically, I would have thought like 114 and 120s was the next level. And I mean, now we're at 107. So it all made sense. 35 points, super small trade, because I was just kind of testing it out and seeing if I'd get it. But yeah, there it is, chat. There it is.
Yeah. Banger. Banger. Nice trade, dude.
Thanks, dude.
Now what we gonna do, chat? Now what we gonna do? I got stopped out, yes.
Yeah, I would have guessed. Joey, was that more of scratching that itch of wanting to see shorts, or was there something you saw that actually had you wanting to take that?
No, I've been bearish on price above 60. Been saying it this whole morning. I still am. I still think we see sellers come there.
We'll have to wait and see. I mean, now this right here, this is the most aggressive turnaround we've had since we shot down to VWAP in the first 15 minutes. Like that 1 minute candle we just had, that was totally bearish. I could see a potential little short here. What, I mean, arguably you could have just taken it off the highs and had 35 points already, but that pullback was aggressive.
Yeah, was.
New 5 minute just opened though. Have to see how that handles. But as you can see, chat, buyers are present this morning, and that's what it is, and that's the direction, because we just bumped right back up almost to the 100.
That's just
Probably
what it
gonna get
is.
back above it.
Yeah. Yeah, buyers running this thing back up after that last 5 minute candle.
The only short so far are just those retracements that keep coming in, and you've just got to make sure you time those right and then take your points. Don't be greedy. If you can get 10 points, maybe 15, 20, depending on your sizing and entry, just take it. The only thing you're holding on to today is a long so far, but otherwise, take your shit.
Take your shit.
Well, yeah, do that too. You want to make sure you're not sluggish. If you're feeling a little lethargic and lacking on energy, you want to make sure the system's flushed and clean. So yeah, take that too.
Oh,
Old Trader, I'm using the 14 and 21 EMAs. Enrique, that is honestly a very good point and something that I'm constantly working on and always trying to progress because I'm not the best at it. And there's times where I saw something and could have sat on it and still got a good trade out of it or got good points. But if I'd have just composed myself in the moment and realized the direction of where we were going, or after coming off a high or a low or something, yeah, it's hard, man. That's something that is repetition based and just time and teaching yourself in the moments and making those realizations in real time to be able to sit and hold like that.
Yeah.
That is something Joey is honestly super good at, and I envy him for it because he has that ability, and he has that ability even through drawdown, and that just shows his experience. That shows the confidence that he has and what he sees and the conviction within that. And that's what's required. That's what you need. And granted, it might not always work out. Sometimes that might go against you because you're trying to be a little too patient. But when you're right and it goes in favor of proving you right, yeah, that's massive.
Oh yeah. Appreciate that.
There we are, chat. 130s. Look at that. Realistically, just a bull flag that got built out from when we made that first new high at 107, came all the way back into 71. But again, 2-minute chart, just tapping off the EMA. It's just like a little bumper plate in bowling, chat. It's just there for support. Bounces right off from 71 up to the 130s. 60 points. Just there's a direction. There's clearly a direction.
Clearly a direction.
It's keeping the same theme from yesterday and Friday and the last 9 damn days, basically. So don't fight the trend. Make it your friend. Chat, how we doing on likes? Come on now. We're out of balance. We got 45, 46 people watching. We're only at 24 likes. If you're in here, just smash that button for me. We just had a nice little 35-point trade. It wasn't crazy. I didn't make $1 million off of it, and I'm not going to go get in my Lambo and grab myself breakfast at Starbucks or where the hell ever, but it was still a solid trade, and we made money, and we called it out, and we showed it live. And then we talked about it after for what we saw and why we took it. And we've continued to call out the levels and direction of where we're going and what we're doing. So support the stream. If you're hanging out, having fun, taking it all in, hit the like button. Balance these numbers out. Come on now.
Yeah. Come on, chat.
Mario, I agree with you. I just said some bullshit because I'm the same mindset about that. I make my coffee at home every morning. I never go and do any of that junk. I think the $5 to $8 Starbucks drinks that people spend every day is freaking ludicrous.
Luda. Business Lens, that comment's out of pocket.
Say what?
That comment by Business Lens is out of pocket.
Yeah, you can get yourself the boot real quick. There you go, old trader. Yeah, I agree, Mario. That slow grind upward. I mean, we're only almost an hour in, but so far it is, yeah, setting that same theme and showing those same patterns. Oh, Sean, that's a great question. I have my own thoughts on Uber Eats. It's really funny and just shows you how to get out of your own head in this world when you have a thought or an idea of something, especially like for a business or like something that you think would be cool and you might be able to make money off of. But I think the Uber Eats and DoorDash shit is like some of the craziest stuff that was ever created, and the cost of that is just insane. I get it's a world of convenience that we live in, and I get that for some people who might be super busy and just like unable to go anywhere for themselves in certain scenarios, that convenience is a luxury to be able to have that. But at the same time, I think we got a lot of lazy pieces of shit in this world, and they just don't want to get up off their ass to go get something. And I think that speaks to a huge part of our society and its mindset and everything that ties in with that. So I think those companies are just an enablement of said laziness. And I think the bulk of it is actually more on that and not the convenience and helpful side of it. I'm sure there are some parts of it that make up that, because it's not going to be 100%, but in my opinion, yeah, we're just enabling the lazy pieces of shit that don't want to get up off their ass and go do something, and that's across the board. But as far as Joey ordering Uber Eats for his Celsius in the morning, I get why he does it, because he's by himself and he's got 2 kids if his wife's not home. But also, I think that moron could just go buy a freaking case of those things instead of just spending the $2.50 that he does every morning on a single can. That would make a lot more sense. Also, just starting your day with an energy drink to me is like, holy shit. I couldn't do that.
Well, no one asked you.
Sean, you damn right I am. You damn right. You think I got this gray silver hair for nothing? I'm wise as shit in my ears. Welcome to the party, pal.
My stream is getting jacked. My stream's been jacked.
Enrique, if that's that skinny beanpole guy off a road trip or whatever that you're saying again, I swear to God.
Boy, Naz is just on a straight ripper.
I just pulled that back up actually and was looking. I was going to tell you, you might look up here 144. If we get past that, maybe mid 150s, might find a possible short pullback. And there we go at 144 tapping. But see, there's a great point, which I would not have wanted to sit through that pullback. I would have just wanted to re-enter, but I think it was Enrique said about sitting through a trade and not dying through it. It's like, chat, if I wanted to really sit on that trade from 64, look where I'd be right now. I'd have 80 points. But that's the difference, is that was still a great trade, and we had the target we did for a reason. It was 35 points. But yeah, that's the reality of trading, is sometimes there's always more, but it's not always about the more. It's about what you did get for your piece of the pie. And you got to take that and run with it.
Yeah.
All right, Enrique, I'm going to school you real fast. And this is for everybody in the damn chat. I'm going to say this one time. Actually, I'm knock on wood that I only have to say it one time. Let me explain something to you. I have never in my life touched my hair. Never. Once. Okay? I got my first gray hair when I was in high school at some point. And this shit has been a progression ever since. Never done anything. I have always had people ask me that, and I say no. I'm all natural, because I am in every sense. And I've also never had one person say my hair looked bad. They've always liked it, or said it looks really cool, or said it makes me look distinguished. But I've never touched my damn hair. And I won't, and I haven't yet, and I don't plan to. I even had a buddy that Joey and I know said I needed to do something with my beard because my head didn't look right, because my hair was one color and my beard was another. It's just a little contrast, guys. That's all it is. That's all that is. So it's fine. And actually, I have some white hairs in places of my beard too. So realistically, I don't want the carpet to match the drapes, but yeah, that might be the I don't know. That might be the one thing that I would consider like touching up a little is my beard, if that happened, because I don't look. I'm not trying to be Gandalf, guys. I'm 35. FYI, I'm not trying to have all that much. All right, I'm just trying to, you know. I learned earlier on to own what I have with the hair. Took me a little while. I didn't really like it. I wasn't sure, but feedback I got was reassuring and positive, and yeah, then I just came into my own and we owned it. So that is what it is. Nah, you didn't touch the nerve. I was just putting it out there. Trust me, I don't sound pissed off. Have a buddy go bald by 21. Yeah, see, I take this shit all day over no hair, chat. All day, every day, twice on Sunday. Bing, bang, boom. Take it to the bank.
Bald is still beautiful, chat.
I didn't hate on it. I'm just saying. I take a little color contrast, whatever you want to call it, over nothing.
Give me 6 months, chat, and I'll have a full head of hair, then Logan can eat shit.
Oh, shit. Uh-oh. Hey, here we are, up to 152. At this point, also, we're right. That 144 is got a pivot point at it. And if you look, we've had going on 4 green candles in a row on the 15-minute chart. At this point, you got to think we might find some type of pullback. But also, given the last 9 days, we've not had that. It's just been a literal continuation. So, got to wait and see. A little patience.
Just a little patience.
Airplane to Turkey coming soon. What the hell? So you better address that.
What happened?
Christian comment there.
So on Discord, do you offer copy trading? I split, and that is a scammer. Chat, know that I will never DM you first. I have no reason to DM you at all. If you get a message from me first, and you have not DM'd me, and it came from me first, it is not me.
And that's not him sending you a friend request either.
No, I won't send. I will not ever send you a friend request first, and I will never DM you first. I don't offer any copy trading services. So don't get scammed.
Shorts look kind of interesting here. Short scalp. There it went. Oh boy.
There she goes.
Boy. Oh boy. I said up here in the 150s, even 144, and there it is.
Also a potential failure on IB high.
Oh yeah, that just got set too, huh?
Yep.
Gotta have your checklist, chat. That's how I feel sometimes. Also, you look at that 2-minute before this bearish red candle, pretty much had a triple top that came in on it. Now, this is something.
It's something, all right. Of course, when I lock up my funded accounts, it does this because I'm not going to turn a red day into a bigger red day. Then it wants to give me a failure. That's just me not being patient on the day, bro.
Yeah.
Back.
IB highs at 135. Yeah.
I've locked up my TRADEIFY funded chat because I'm red on them and I'm not going to turn it into a bigger red day. So I'm trading some evals, but I'll take a short here on evals if we're going to have an IB failure.
Would have been a 43-point short right there on the 2-minute chart. Man. Like I said, chat, there's been opportunities.
A retrace all the way back up to the highs off this move would be fucking just filthy.
Dude, that would just literally emphasize don't fuck with buyers.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, that would just be like, oh, you thought we were gone? Hell no, bitches, we back.
Is that
Like,
this was just
we ain't done.
insane.
We the Brinks truck. Get out of our way. Woulda, coulda, shoulda, what?
Short.
I mean, I was just calling out the levels. I'd already done it. But here come these buyers.
Right back up.
They just moving.
Hey,
Christian,
what's up,
what are you
Leia?
mocking me over here? Oh, you're talking about yourself. All right.
IB high on CL broke. I'm looking for a retest of IB high at 91 for longs. Holy. Let's go. You could have had 80 points, but didn't. You also could have lost 80 points.
Script flip.
But you didn't.
Joey, about those shorts.
Yeah, they're just not there.
Oh.
They're just not there.
No. That I mean, they are. But then they run away real fast.
Yeah.
Like, real fast.
Yeah, shorts are just, I mean, if you're short in this market, you're getting cooked. And I already got cooked. Not cooked, but got tapped on shorts. So just don't short this market right now. I don't even know about shorting this IB high failure.
Yeah. I think, yeah. Could be a little early for that since it just got set to even.
Yeah. Could be. All right, dude. Buyers want to take this thing to back to the highs, or are we gonna reject? Chat. I would love an IB failure. I would love it. I'll take some shorts on evals if I get one. I can tell you this though, I'm about to take one hell of a nap later. I'm about to go into a coma, bro. I didn't get hardly any sleep last night. I don't know if you heard the wind last night, dude.
Dude, I didn't. I did wake up earlier this morning and I heard it thunder and I thought, oh, I didn't know that was gonna be in play.
Dude, at my house, the wind was roaring. I mean, loud.
Just could hear it swirling outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd have been like, blow me away into my dreams. Take me back to sleep.
You can short, but if you meet any resistance, you have to get out of the trade immediately. Yeah. Yeah. Today, at least. For sure. Last night, 2 tornadoes dropped north of where I live, 1 south. Wow. I saw there were tornado warnings in a lot of different places. I think Arkansas and like close or in Fayetteville in NWA, they had a tornado warning. To be honest, chat, we really haven't had any like severe storms this year. Like March and beginning of April is usually like the big storm season where we get some severe stuff, but we really haven't had anything. That was really, we haven't had any really big storms. Don't jinx it. I mean, I would love to have a storm. I like storms.
I'd be standing outside when the tornado sirens are going off.
Dude, same. Like, where is it at?
Yep.
I want to see it.
Well, the sellers have fought about as hard as they have all morning to keep this from making a new high right here at the top. Jeez.
There was a direct hit in Oklahoma and in Wisconsin at Trailer Park. Ooh. Hopefully everyone's okay.
That's a normal weekend in Oklahoma.
Yeah, it is. Hopefully everybody's okay.
Here we go again.
Yeah, seriously, just go do it. Just go rip the highs and just keep pumping. Cause why not? Why not?
Through the 58s, the next levels would really be upper 70s to 80. Nasdaq is literally waiting on ES to help push it. Boom.
There goes in new highs on the day.
That was the longest that it's taken it too. Had a little 5-minute consolidation first. 158. Here it goes. 164. Just absolutely wild.
Absolutely wild. SP King, what up? Chat, as a FYI, there will be no Asia stream tonight. The Asia stream will pick up tomorrow. We'll be live tonight from 6:30 Central Time, 7:30 Eastern.
You just said live tonight.
Or live tomorrow night. Sorry. Live tomorrow night from 6:30 Central, 7:30 Eastern. No live tonight, though. No live tonight. Unacceptable? I know, I'm sorry.
Gotta have some rest.
Yeah, chat, I gotta rest at some point. Y'all gotta understand, I do like 1,000 streams a week between all the streams that I'm on. Your boy needs to rest at some point. Between my streams, TRADEIFY, and NinjaTrader. I have 3 NinjaTrader streams this week, chat. Tres. We all work hard, Joey. You're everywhere. I really am. Somebody came over to the Ninja Trader stream on Monday and was like, "Is this Joey from TRADEIFY?"
Nah, it's another bald guy.
Mario says, "Not me. I work smart."
I like that. I like that a lot.
Chat, Friday for me is getting closer. I'm on an airplane to Miami.
I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Anybody? Armageddon movie? Bruce Willis? They get the whole little group going when Ben Affleck starts singing that. And then, what was that big black actor's name? He gets his deep voice and he goes, "Leaving on a jet plane." But he's also like really monotone when he does it. It's a great scene, guys. It's a great scene from a classic, all right? And Joey's saying he's getting on a plane. That's where my mind went. That was it. Michael Clark Duncan. That's who I was thinking of. Everybody knows him from the Green Mile, too. I don't know who sings the actual song. I don't have any idea.
I don't know what you're saying. All balls look alike. No. No, there's not. No, we don't. No other bald guy compares to me, chat.
Chat, do you really think he looks like Jason Statham? No, he doesn't. Chad, when's the last, we're talking about the head and the baldness and all this. When's the last time Joey had a hatless stream? How about that? Maybe we have a dedicated theme day where today is bald day streaming. No hat. Just, oh shit, he took it off. Maybe we just have that thing. I mean, look at that shine off of his
the
room
shine
light there.
The shine is immaculate, bro. I mean, you don't get the shine like this. Nobody has a shine like I do, chat. I have perfected the bald craft. Okay, I really have. I've taken it to the next level.
Dude, hold up. Everybody got to listen up. Announcement. Joey, I have found, I need to send you the video to really get perspective. I have found a new social media influence gig for you, my friend. Oh, buddy. Listen up, chat. Everybody smash that like button. Big announcement story incoming right here. There are accounts that have crossed my For You page, I have seen, of bald guys. And they... Water bottle. This is going to be a person. And then we're just going to use my phone as, say, an object. Now, what's happening, chat, in these videos is there are bald guys that are acting as if they are hydraulic presses that come down and smash things And what they're doing is they're inverted. So you're looking at them and you're just seeing the top part of their head come down, and it's just a compilation of different things, but they're making the noise as they're coming down, and they just start lowering and they come into the screen, and it's just like the hydraulic press, and they've got like a watermelon below or food of some type or whatever, and they just come down with their bald heads and they smash it, and as soon as there's contact, it starts changing the sound that they make as well, to where it's like grinding through it. Or the one guy that did a watermelon was like grunting through it to try to break it. And so it's essentially bald head hydraulic presses. And I laughed my ass off when I first saw that, because I instantly thought of this man right here on screen with me.
Chad, did anybody like get excited and then this just kind of became very just mid as it went on?
It's obviously funnier.
The bigger question,
you see the video.
The bigger question, chat, is this: what kind of brain rot shit is he watching for that to show up on his For You page?
Nothing. But I'm just saying, sometimes you scroll and that algo just slips some random shit in. I think that's what happened, but it's hilarious. You know what? Got a damn idea myself. Wait a minute. Damn it. I thought I'd saved one of these because I was going to send it to you.
Bruh.
Nope. I was just going to pull up the video chat, but I don't have it. Nope. Not there. Oh, here we go, though. I don't know how this is going to look on here, but let's do this. This is it, chat. This is what they do.
What
This has music over
brain
it.
rot shit are we talking about?
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that.
Okay, can we not? Can you not play that audio though? You're gonna get me DMAC'd.
Well, I was expecting that. Usually, it's not with music overlaid. That's it though.
Holy brain rot, chat. That's what that is.
Hey, look, up to the 176s. I'm over here looking at old guys hatching his hydraulic presses, and I missed this little pullback. New hourly candle just opened there.
This is gonna be my seller as a failed IB high. I just know it. I just know it.
They gotta come down and test it first.
Fucking buyers.
Dude. Oh, wow. I mean, that's it. It's like 20 points, maybe a little more, pullback, and then just boom, right back to the upside.
What's up, Chairs Nest? Late today? No worries. Better late than never, right? Better late than never. You're here. It's all that matters.
Go back and watch everything you missed. Hit the like button now that you're here too.
Logan needs a t-shirt that says hit the like or else.
It's not bad.
All right, highs on the day. Copy that.
Chat, we got 41 likes with 40 people. I like it. Nice work. Took all damn morning, but hey, I'll take it. 180. Okay, this is just... I mean, do we have a stopping point anywhere in this whole deal? I mean, is it just...
fade the extension levels.
I mean, to 212, 220 is next at this point. Just, I mean, guys, it is literally a slow grind to the upside. I mean, good Lord. I got long at 064 earlier, and I got 35 points, and now look where we are. Just absolute insanity.
Insanity, he says.
Yeah, I lost my tongue there. Insanity. But I mean, jeez, dude. 114 points above that. Like, we just keep on pushing. Keep on pushing, ladies and gentlemen.
Just keep pushing.
Break this 82 level, and 200 is pretty much next in line. That's...
I mean, we might as well just go back to all-time highs today.
Just rip 700 more points. Trump makes a true social post and it just skyrockets it.
I mean, at this point, why not?
Oh.
Do it.
Yeah, I want pullback because I don't want to be up at all-time highs. I want to have some balance.
Yeah, it's I mean, just buyers are nothing stopping them, nothing stepping in front of them. But it's crazy to think about too, because like, you know, we still have uncertainty in this whole war thing. Yeah, things are moving in the right direction, but for us to still have some uncertainty and us ripping like this.
You know what's crazy is we've still been going up, and oil finally moved and bought up some as well. I mean, it's not much, but it's at 92.5 right now. But it was down at 90.5. So it's funny to see that going in the same direction. Yes, trying to make itself a high. That seemed a little weak.
I was watching Nas. I mean, listen, I would love shorts, but
Well, you just got to take it off quick.
I've just not been able to capitalize off any of it, and buyers have been rising or rising the market up. Little sellers trying to come through though. Maybe go get a retest to IB high. Well, IB high retest. Just gonna hold a micro with a stop at the below 50% on eval. Nice. Yep, swing it. So wing it.
I'm aiming for a little short scalp right here. Got in at 66, targeting 50.
Here's a guy you know, Logan. Bushis Miles.
Oh, yeah. I sure do.
Because I haven't seen Logan in years. Hope you've been great, man.
Doing well, dude. Like seeing your updates from time to time on socials. And wow. What? Okay, I got filled, but what? Why did that? There was your short there.
Yeah, come back down and retest IB high.
Could have held more, but again, in this market, not trying to be greedy, but also confused on. I had my take profit set, but it hit and then didn't actually close me out. That was really weird. Huh. Okay.
ES is holding IB high a lot better than NQ. What is ES doing? I haven't even looked at it yet. Oh yeah, it's staying below it.
Yeah, I could have looked for a little more on that, but again, wasn't trying to be greedy. And I mean, I got 16 points on that. That's fine. That is A-okay.
Christian, is there slippage on futures like there is on CFD? Yes, there is. I mean, more so in live environment accounts, not really sim. I mean, I guess you could have a tiny bit if there's like a mega move, right? Like a huge news event, you could probably get slipped on sim. But more so live accounts than it.
Now here comes the buyout.
Yep.
Actually, I don't know. This could be in a weird spot. I don't know what it might do just yet. We'll have to see.
Funniest shit I hear is market makers hunt stops and they are on a sim button, bro. Facts, dog. You're like, oh, the market makers are hunting my stops, and they're on a fucking eval. Jesus Christ, dude. It's the most yeah.
I mean, this could be where it does, but we'll have to wait and see because.
Like, dog, you're on sim. Your orders aren't even showing on the order book.
Huh?
I'm talking about Mario's comment, like making fun of people who are like, market makers hunt my stops, but they're on sim accounts. Like, dude, your orders don't even show. Even on your freaking funded accounts, your orders don't show on the DOM. They only show if you get in live accounts, and even then, they're not. Market makers aren't like, oh, look at this pitty little 2 contract stop loss down here. Let me go take it out. They don't give a shit about that. They're trading billions of dollars in stock. You think they're worried about your 2 little contract trade? No, they're not. Anyways.
You are insignificant is the moral of that.
Exactly.
Oh. Oh, little spike of volume come through here.
Dallas, what's up?
New high. And new high. New high. New high. New high.
Because why not?
There it goes. Dude, that thing was like, I'm coming. Knocking on the door. Finally. I was like, wow, that is like the ultimate triple fake out.
New high because why not, chat? That's all we've done.
See? There you go. That's the only short to short right there. It was those little pullbacks, guys. Did you get out of yours, by the way? Or did you get short?
No, I haven't been any.
No. I thought you had done another.
I would have liked to. The US and Iran are said to be weighing extending their ceasefire by 2 weeks. That was what caused that spike.
Extending their ceasefire?
Yep.
Yeah. You know what's going to happen off of that?
What?
Israel's going to say, hold my beer.
Yeah.
And then that's just going to ruin everything. That's what's going to happen there.
What's up, Mickey? How you doing, dude? Mickey.
Hey, Mario, those that are smart know. That's all I'm going to say. They know.
Payout day today. Love that for you.
Hell yeah, let's go.
Get that money.
Chat, we're gunning for the 200s here. We are inbound.
Inbound for 2 hundos.
Guys, it has just been a straight linear market today. Just one direction. I mean, these charts are just crazy. It is.
Yeah.
Whoo-wee. I mean, look at that 5-minute close there and just rock hard green. Just full boner green to the upside. Just prime example setter of the day right there. That's just what it is.
Fade the 0.5 extension. Don't fade the extensions. Don't do it.
Chad, don't fade the trend. Don't fight the trend. How about that? Same shit. Look at this. I just said it's linear. We're going to 200 right here. Look at this. Look at this. Would you look at it? Baby. Baby.
Baby.
Golly, what a day. I mean, you look at the daily chart and just today and the last 2 days are wild.
I do my charting on TradingView and then I execute on Trade of 8. Yeah, yeah. I didn't even realize what time it was. Now we're running out of time.
Yeah, I was kind of wondering about that for you. I'm hungry. I need food.
I didn't
got
realize, chat.
I'm a growing boy, chat.
I thought
Gotta
I was
have
like,
my food.
I thought I was getting tired, but I was like, man, how long have we been streaming? And then I looked at the time and said, oh, that makes sense.
Joey's like, is that nap time calling already?
Nap time is calling,
So
bro.
is it already my scheduled nap time for the day?
It's about to be a coma time before I have to hop on Ninja Trader.
Well, at least it's not the blown accounts nap.
It is not the blown accounts nap. No, we're preventing the blown account naps. Those naps do rip though. I think we're gonna save the duck race for tomorrow. We are running out of time. Do need to hop. We'll save the duck race for tomorrow. That's when we'll do the giveaway. Chat, appreciate you guys tuning in, hanging out with me. If you're not already subbed, hit that sub button. Subscribe to the channel. We're live every single day, every morning, with some Asia streams mixed in. Appreciate you guys hanging out with us.
What time are you on Ninja Trader?
Like 1.
1 p.m. chat.
Yeah. Be on Ninja Trader at 1.
Guys, thanks for tuning in. It was a good morning. If you tried to fight the trend in short, well, I hope.
You hope what? Are we gonna finish that statement?
What are you laughing about?
You're like, I hope, and then you just disappeared.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's weird. No, I'm just saying I hope that it didn't happen to him. But if it did, then I hope you learned your lesson and you don't do it again, because those are hard lessons to learn. But look, we had a great day. We had a couple trades, both dubs, had a nice little 35-pointer. Everything's to the upside. Stay with the trend. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for getting those likes up.
Hit that sub button.
Here.
Subscribe, not already subscribe, chat, and we will see you tomorrow morning live at the New York Open. Stay safe out there. Have a good one, chat. Bye-bye.